merong residential component, merong industrial component, tapos merong commercial din. One thing that they have that Nuvali does not have is a country club, Alviera Country Club. Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. Opposite side of the world, of the south, here at Alviera. It is Nuvali's younger sibling, yon. So let's just put it that way, no. So a bit smaller, 1,000 hectares, but a beautiful estate as well. It's located at Porac, Pampanga. So NLEX, then Esitex, then it has its own exit. Yan, Porac exit, no. Wouldn't believe that from Nuvali right now nakalagay, no, going back it's 2 hours 20 minutes, 150 kilometers. Yun. So Alviera, ito yung backdrop niya, mountainous. Ngayon, may residential component, merong industrial component, tapos merong commercial din, no? Then one thing that they have that Nuvali does not have is a country club, Alviera Country Club, by membership only. Yun. So they just opened the Alviera driving range. Yan. Same management as Nuvali driving range, no? As they have Hiram College is coming here. I'll show the video here. No? Very nice, very beautiful campus. No, I think Holy Angel is coming. Going back, it's a beautiful area. No, we just had a talk by Joey Bondoc of Colliers. Colliers is the head of research, saying about Central Luzon, the potential of this area. Just 15 minutes to Clark International Airport. And you can just imagine once that becomes very active, such as yung North-South Rail, all the other expressways that are planned here, or in Bulacan Airport, you can just imagine that this area will be really taking off. I was surprised, 190 to 200 meters above sea level, but during the night though, it's very cool. That's what I gathered here. It's a very nice area, potential growth area. So it's something that you can consider in terms of investment. May commercial sila, residential, and industrial for factories, no, dito. Yan, also. Yan. They're operational na. So yun muna, just wanted to share with you our trip here in Alviera. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll connect you to the right people. Realtor Mike saying, stay safe and stay in faith. God bless.